Anyone recording the session?
No.
No. Just wait.
No.
I'm repeating once again. Start the recording. We'll share you the recording. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, I forgot to record the session. Anyways, just double click on this wall and go to this default. Now we'll create the wall assembly. As far as this project is concerned, for this room we have two walls. One is the exterior and this is the partition. So exterior wall is 9 inch, having thickness of 9 inch. Okay, so 9 inch thick. So now go to this wall assembly. Now we are creating our own wall, which is 9 inch thick. Name it as 9 inch exterior wall. Nine-inch exterior wall. After outside surface color. Okay, outside surface color we have three options. One is the light, medium, and dark. Okay, so in the light, if you select light, the absorptivity will be less. Okay, because dark color absorbs more heat. Okay, just going with the safe side, we'll choose the dark. But this will be verified by the architecture. Okay, which color they are going to use on the outside of the surface of the wall. Okay, if they're using light, you can go for the light. The absorptivity will be less. Yeah, any question?
Hello?
Yes, ask.
Sir, this is the color which you are selling is the paint, sir, exterior paint you are talking about, right?
Yeah, exterior paint.
Hello?
Yeah, that color. That color. Okay, so we are going with the safe side and select the dark color. Okay, just wait one minute. Okay, actual outside surface color will be verified with the architecture. So we are taking as the dark, going on the safe side, and after this is the construction of the wall. Okay, means the layering part. Okay, so just go to this window. Is this visible now?
Your voice is breaking, sir. Voice breaking, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Now it is clear.
Hello.
It's clear. Hello.
The voice problems.
Hello. Can you give us record permission?
No,
Hello.
actually I'm recording the session. We'll send you the recording.
Okay.
It's a voice problem actually.
Okay.
Yes, sir. From your side.
Okay, just wait 1 minute.
I think others can mute themselves. You know, there are a lot of background noises coming. I think.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Now it's fine.
Okay. So now seeing the construction of the wall. Okay, na construction means the layering part. Just like this one. You can see the section here. Na? Go to the view. Is this window visible? Hello. Is this window visible to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yeah.
in this you can see is the 8 inch the brickwork. Okay, 8 inch is the brickwork and half inch cement on both sides. Okay, half inch cement on both sides. So just going to this app software, and now half inch cement, na? So just select half inch cement. Okay. After this, what we have? What we have, the common brickwork. Okay. Just go into the software and type brick. Okay. After this, next is the half inch cement again. Copy this. Control C and Control V. Okay. And rest we delete because as per our project, it is not relevant. Okay. Understood this part, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So now what? Now going to the app software. First it is asking for the thickness. Na? So thickness is half inch, na? So select half inch, 0.5, and here also select half inch, 0.5. Now it is asking for the thickness of brick. Okay. So brick thickness is wait,
8 inch.
8 inches. Okay.
8 inch.
8, because now you can see here the unit is inches, na? Okay, going to the density. So density value you can find, this is the ASHRAE handbook. You can see this PDF file.
Yes, yes.
Okay, going to the page number, page number 1.21. Just zoom a little bit, and you can see here brickwork. Yeah, 8 inch. We have the density 56. This is the density column, na? Density live-in per cubic feet. So here density for 8 inches 56. So I'm writing it as 56.
We have to take concrete blocks or like which? Why we are taking this one? Light aggregate is there.
Cinder aggregate material for brickwork. Cinder
This is
aggregate.
given by the this will be given by the architect,
Actually,
sir.
yeah, this will
Institutional?
act. This is for sample I'm taking. Actually, it will be
Okay.
given by the architecture. Okay, you
Okay,
don't have
okay.
to put that.
It's fine. Okay,
Okay.
then it's fine.
Okay. Next is the R value. Okay, R value. What you have to put? Just go to this PDF file. For 8 inch, we have 1.72. This is the R value. Resistance R, and for 8 inch we have 1.72. So put it as 1.72. Now for cement you can see in the plastering material, sand aggregate half inch. So the value is 0.10. Okay, R value. So go to this app software and put it as 0.1. Similarly for half inch, this one 0.1. Okay, these values are important. You can write any values in the density or specific, no need, because it will take only this overall U value, which will be calculated from this resistance value. Okay, that is important. Okay, two things are left. There is the inside surface resistance and outside surface resistance. Okay, these values from where you can take, just go to this PDF, and outside film resistance you can find here in the thermal resistance R building insulation material. Going to the page number, yeah, steel layer, which is the outside. Okay, for this one is the outside for winter, and this is for inside. Okay, horizontal. That is inside we have 0.68 and outside we have 0.25. Put it here, and 0.68 already written, 0.25 for out, 0.25. So now it will automatically calculate the U value. Now click OK.
Sir, one small doubt in this.
Yeah, ask.
Regarding the layers, how can we add or delete a layer? Like here, there we have inside surface resistance, 3 layers, and outside.
Yes.
So what if we want to increase or delete?
Wait. I'm just providing that one. Let me see.
Hmm.
Okay, so you are asking how to insert a layer or how to delete a layer, na?
Yes.
That's the
Yes.
question, na? If I want to
Yeah.
insert a row for a layer, just move the mouse over this arrow and right click. Look at this. Click on this insert. Okay. In case you have to delete, over the mouse over this layer and right click and remove. Understood?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Then click OK. 9-inch exterior wall is ready. So next wall that we have in our project is the partition wall. You can see here we have the partition wall. No? So for partition wall thickness is 4-inch. Okay, means 4-inch means half of inch for plaster on both sides and 3-inch brickwork. Okay, go to this and can duplicate this one also. Okay, you can create a new one also, but you can duplicate this one also. Duplicate and make it 4-inch. Partition wall. Okay. So in this case, we will change only the thickness for the brickwork. Okay, so brickwork thickness is 3 inches. And see the R value for 3-inch brickwork. 0.86. 0.86. Okay. Now click OK. So two walls, one is the 9-inch partition, 9-inch exterior wall, and 4-inch partition wall. Okay, two walls are there. Next, what we have, the roof. Okay, so in roof, what will cover? Let's go to this Revit file. In roof, we have this floor and the roof. So floor will also add in this roof portion. Na? Okay, go to the just 1 minute.
Even,
One
I
minute.
have one doubt on the wall.
1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, ask what is the doubt? Please ask.
In the wall, in the wall section, can you go to the walls?
Yes.
You select any one, 4 inch or 9 inch.
Yes.
We are giving, see here, half-inch cement, brick, half-inch cement we are giving, and all the resistance value, thickness, everything we are giving. Again, that inside surface resistance, outside surface resistance, it's additionally, you are providing the resistance, right?
Yeah,
Because see,
inside and
whatever
outside.
cement, what makes that resistance actually? Because cement, brick, cement is the only combination, right?
Okay. So what's your doubt? What's
So
your query?
additionally, if you are giving some resistance, my doubt is, see, the resistance will be created by any layer, right? Any layer or some thickness of plastering or painting or whatever it is. So see, all these things will be taken care by this half-inch brick and half-inch cement, right? Again, if you are giving inside resistance and outside resistance, it will give wrong results, no?
No. Actually, inside surface resistance, outside means
I couldn't
one one is
understand.
one is the still layer, one is the moving layer. Okay. if you have understood the
Okay.
E20 sheet for carrier, in that you will see in the wall we have the still air and the moving air. The still air which still resists in the inside the wall, which is also taking the heat from the outside, and which is and one is the moving
Okay.
air which is moving across the wall. Okay, but in HAP software,
Okay. It's a
still air, yes,
property. Hmm.
yeah, that is the part of the wall. That is the part of the wall. So in HAP software, we take it as inside surface resistance and outside, which is the still air and the moving air. Okay, that is the air resistance,
Okay.
because air is
I
also
got it.
carrying the heat, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Then.
Okay. Next is the roof part. Uh, okay. Roof. In roof, we create the floor and the roof assembly. Okay. First, I'm creating the roof. Just double click this one and type roof. Again, I'm taking for the safe side dark and just delete this one, or you can just make it for 1 inch, 1 inch cement plaster, and next we have the concrete. The rest you can delete. Remove. Okay, so 1 inch cement plaster thickness is 1 inch. Give it to 1, and the concrete thickness is actually the wall is 200 mm thick, so I'm taking as 1, 2, 5, 6, 6 inches. 6 inches. 6 plus 1, 7. Just wait, just wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is 6 inches. Next, to put the values for our value for concrete and cement plaster. Cement plaster, we know what's the value. Cement plaster. Point 1. So 1 is for half inches is it's 0.1. So 1 inches it will be 0.2. For concrete blocks I'm taking 6 inches. 6 inch we have 0.91. 0.9. Okay. Similarly, you can duplicate this one to create the floor. Duplicate and name it as floor. Okay, just using this same assembly. Click OK. But as per the architectural assembly, you can change this one also. You know how to change. Okay. And now we are going to save this project first. I'm saving this project.
Actually, this will need some practice here. Okay, then
Yeah.
only some doubts will
Have you
clear.
have you
The
covered
practice,
have you covered the manual heating and cooling load calculation?
no, not yet, not yet. So already
That's why you're
yesterday
facing some
also,
problem.
one of the colleague, yeah, that's the issue.
Actually,
Actually,
this
it's
HAP
covered, then
project
no any issue, then we can easily grab. Mm-hmm.
Actually, this HAP software is done after doing the manual load calculation. I don't know why they told me to complete this HAP, but this is done after the manual load. Just
That's
I'm
why
recording.
yesterday we have
I'm just.
requested to do this.
Maybe some technical issue will be there, but just I'm recording the session. If you find any doubt, you can ask me after this. After your manual calculation, you can also. Okay, just I've saved the project. Okay, 5 minutes are left for the meeting because 40 minutes is the duration for Zoom meeting, na? So after this meeting will be done, I'll send you the link. If I not cover this three parts, okay, window, door, and shades. Okay. So to cover, going to the window part, going to on the window part, just go to this model. We have two windows in our project now. One window, this one, and this one. Going to the plan view, you can see window 1, window 2. So window 1 size is 5 feet by 4 feet, and window 2 size is 7 feet by 5 feet. Okay. Going to the hub, double click on this one, and create assembly W1. W1. Okay. So the dimension is 5 feet by 4 feet. Just 5 feet by 4 feet. Okay. Overall U value. U value you can take from this extra input. Overall.
Your voice is not coming properly.
Hello.
We are not able to hear you actually.
Hello. Now it's clear.
Yeah, now it's clear. Now it's clear.
So it is overall factors for solar heat gain through glass. Okay, you can take the U factor. This will be verified by the architecture. So which glass is using, which window is using. Okay. So like if I am taking the light color, if the light color for we have the U factor 0.56. Put this have and I type the U factor 0.56. Okay. If you have the detailed information from the architecture, just click this one, and you can make the assembly like we have done in the wall part. Okay, in the wall section. But if you don't have this detailed input, don't worry, just uncheck this one. Directly type the overall U factor, which will be provided by the architecture. Okay, like I'm taking 0.56. Click OK. W1 similarly you can click W2. W2.
Hello.
Yes, ask.
What is that shade coefficient?
Shade coefficient. Okay, shade coefficient will you understand when we got the shade part. Okay, shade part in that you can understand. That is also just like the U value factor. Okay, but we'll understand in the shade part. Okay.
Generally in window, how much we have to give? Same only. We have not to change it.
Yeah. Do not. Same as per the architecture you can change. These values are given by the architecture for the material. Okay, these are the material properties. All the material properties related to glass, window, door, and the wall will be given by the architecture. Thermal properties. These are called the thermal properties. Will be given by the architecture. Okay. Okay. Next we have. Okay. Next window we have 7 feet by 5 feet. So make it as 7 feet by 5. Same class factor, place OK. Next is the door. Door it will ask, we have to do, go to this. D1 7 feet by 3 feet. D1. So the gross area is 7 into 3, 21. Na? Okay. This is by default I'm taking 0.35. Okay. Again, it will be verified by the architecture. So if your door is having some glass, you can type the glass area if it is having. Okay. Glass U value similarly given by the architecture. Shade coefficient. Okay. Same things. If it is having glass, if it is not having glass, then don't make changes. Make it as 0. So in our project, we are using a simple door. You can enter the glass value with 0.56. Next is the shades. Okay, shade portion you can see here. There are different parameters. Okay, left fin, right fin, overhanging. Okay, what is the reveal depth? First is the question for reveal depth. What is the reveal depth? And go to this. Can you see this word file?
Yes.
In this you can see this distance is called the reveal depth. Actually, I'm going to send you another link. Okay, this class is going to be over 40 minutes. So it's going to over. Sending you another link. Okay.
Okay.